Congratulations on your purchase of Silken Tighten, the at-home facial skin tightening and wrinkle reduction system. Tighten delivers outstanding results by utilizing 3 kinds of energy. Infrared radiation that affects the upper layer of skin for improved skin texture. Red spectrum LED light that reaches into the dermis for rejuvenation and collagen restoration. And focused bipolar radio frequency energy that penetrates deep into the subdermal fat for deep tissue tightening and wrinkle reduction. Before using Tighten for the first time, be sure to read the printed Tighten user manual and observe all warnings and safety precautions. Let's get ready to use Tighten. First, plug the cord of the adapter into Tighten's socket. Then plug the adapter into an electrical outlet. Once connected, all energy level indicator lights light up at once and then cycle continuously. Tighten is now in standby mode. Press Tighten's central button to turn the device on. Tighten offers 5 energy levels. As Tighten turns on, energy level 1 will be selected automatically. To change the energy level, simply press the central button repeatedly until you've set the energy level you want, indicated by the number of lit energy level indicator lights. To put Tighten back in standby mode, give the central button a long press. All energy level indicator lights will cycle continuously. After setting the energy level for the treatment, spread a thin layer of slider gel over the area you intend to treat. Slider gel or any other water-based gel facilitates smooth movement of the treatment surface over the skin and enables conductivity. To ensure safe and efficient treatment, always start by applying slider gel. When its touch sensor identifies contact with the skin, Tighten will begin to emit the exact combination of treatment energies for your treatment, and you'll feel a mild sensation of warmth. This is perfectly normal. Now, simply move Tighten in gentle, linear, massage-like motions over the area you're treating. Progress slowly and thoroughly. And be sure to cover the entire treatment area throughout the session. For ultimate results with Tighten, treat each of the following 5 areas separately: forehead, right cheek, left cheek, chin, and neck. For your first treatment, you'll want to determine which Tighten energy level is right for you. Start at energy level 1 for a few minutes, and raise the energy level gradually in order to find the highest energy level that you're still comfortable with. And treat each area for at least 15 minutes. In following sessions, simply set Tighten to the last comfortable energy level setting, and treat each area for at least 15 minutes. It takes Tighten the first 5 minutes to build effective treatment temperature. 10 more minutes of treatment are needed to achieve efficacy. For optimal results, repeat your Tighten trademark treatment of each area twice a week for 10 weeks. If during treatment the heat becomes uncomfortable, try to move the device faster over the skin to avoid overheating at one spot. If still uncomfortable, change the setting to a lower level. To ensure your safety, Tighten's built-in thermal sensor constantly measures your skin temperature. If the temperature in the treated area is too high, all energy sources will automatically stop working until the temperature decreases. Here's what you can expect to feel during and after treatment with Silken Tighten. During treatment, it's normal to feel a mild sensation of warmth from Tighten's heat energies. During and after treatment, your skin may have a very mild pinkish color. This is normal and usually passes within 24 hours. If redness does not disappear within 2 to 3 days, or if your skin becomes very red, you should stop using Titan immediately and select lower energy levels in following treatment sessions. We hope you'll enjoy using Silken Titan and the fresh, younger look that Titan treatment can give you. For more information about Titan and other Silken products, visit your local Silken website.